बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 degree solution provider.
Hello guys, Pranali here from gogoevent.com. Welcome back to our channel gogoevent.com. So guys, today I'm here with a new topic, that is what is management and what are the features and what are the importance of management. So guys, management is nothing but planning, preparing, collecting information and working efficiently and effectively for achieving your goal. So guys, what are the types of management, how we can manage, how we can do all our things to achieve the particular goal and all that, it all comes into management. So guys, management is nothing but just a preparing or a pre-plan of doing the work for achieving a particular goal. So guys, now we will see how management is important in our life. So guys, if we want to achieve a particular goal, but if we didn't pre-plan it, for example, अगर आपको आपने टारगेट फिक्स किया कि आपको 12th में 80% चाहिए, तो आप सिर्फ इतना फिक्स करके तो वो आपको 80% मिलने वाला तो है नहीं. उसके लिए आपको अपना टाइम मैनेजमेंट करना होगा. मतलब आपका जो दिन के जो जितने घंटे हैं वो पर्टिकुलर घंटों में आप कितना पढ़ोगे, क्या क्या पढ़ोगे, किस तरह से पढ़ोगे, वो सब भी मायने रखता है. तो मैनेजमेंट में क्या, अभी आपने फिक्स किया कि आपको 80% चाहिए, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना होगा, आपको पहले एक टाइम टेबल बनाना पड़ेगा. वो पर्टिकुलर टाइम टेबल में आपको आप कौन से समय कितने टाइम तक कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ोगे वो उसमें मेंशन करना होगा. वो किस तरीके से पढ़ोगे, वो पढ़ के होने के बाद आप उसका एक टेस्ट, मॉक टेस्ट बोलते हैं, वो कैसे पास आउट हो जाओगे एंड ऑल. ये सब अगर आप प्रिपरेशन करोगे, ये सब आप देखोगे, तो ही आपका जो गोल है कि आपको एग्ज़ाम में 80% चाहिए वो अचीव होगा. आप सिर्फ बोल के तो वो अचीव नहीं होने वाला है. तो गाइस, management is necessary in every small thing. So guys, now we will see what are the features or what are the importance of management. So guys, the first one is management is associated with group efforts. So guys, we will go in detail with this concept. Management is associated with group efforts. From this you get a short idea about what is it. So guys, if we set a particular goal, then for achieving that goal, we will need help from other people, many sources, and many of the primary data. We will study many of the primary data as the secondary data from by studying all this, then we will get a proper plan, a rough idea, or we can say that we will get a blueprint to achieve a particular goal. So guys, this is a group activity. No single person can do all these things. Means if you set a goal that you need to sell 100 pens, then for that you will take help from Google, that in which area the colleges are there. So this will be the first person from which you are taking the help, because indirectly he is giving you information that in which areas the colleges and schools are at the high range. Then you will see what are the preferences and what models they like. So for that you will do a survey. For a few days. So you are collecting the primary data, and then you will research on that particular data. So you are taking again the help of that Google or particular primary data. So in this, what we get clear that it is a group effort. We can't manage everything by a single person. So we need it to do in a group activity. So it will get we will achieve our goal more faster and more easier. So guys, now the second point is management is goal oriented. As I said at the starting of the video that to achieve a particular goal, management is necessary. So guys, if you set a particular goal and you just set it and you are just waiting for completing it. So guys, what did you think? It is completed by that? after saying you want a particular thing at particular time, and just we are sitting and looking for it, then it will be happen? No, for that you have to manage the things. You have to appoint a particular number of persons to do a particular work. After that only we can achieve the particular goal. After all this managing, after all this information is collected, then after we can go and achieve our particular goal, or we came close to achieve our particular goal. So the management is goal oriented. Now we will see the third feature or the third importance of management. The third feature of management is it is purposeful. It is purposeful means if you want to achieve a particular goal, then it is your motto, it is your purpose. So management cannot be done without any purpose or without any motto. For management, your aim, your goal should be clear, your motto should be clear. So without any purpose or without any goal, you can't do the management in a proper way or in a proper basis. Now we will see what is the fifth feature or what is the fifth importance of management. So guys, the fifth one is management gives you a better lifestyle. Yes, management gives you a better lifestyle, because if you manage your time and schedule in a better way, then your mind didn't get so much stress. You are not so much tired of doing the new things. After managing your time properly, you will get the free time. In that free time, you can do a new thing, you can start a new activity. So it will makes you happy, and it will make your mind fresh. We can say that it will help you to create new things, to be to make you happy, to feel you relaxed. So for this, management is necessary. So the concept that management will improve your lifestyle, मतलब अगर आपने कुछ आपका जो टाइम है वो अगर आपने प्रॉपर शेड्यूल किया, वो आपने प्रॉपर तरीके से मेंटेन किया, मतलब अपने प्रॉपर तरीके से उसमें लिखा रहेगा कि ये टाइम पे मुझे ये करना है, और इसके लिए मेरा जो रिसोर्सेस है इंफॉर्मेशन का, वो ये इस तरह से रहेगा, इस टाइप का रहेगा. सो अगर आपने ये सब पहले ही प्लान कर लिया, पहले ही इसमें लिख लिया, तो आपका जो बाकी का समय है, जो बचा हुआ समय, उस समय में आप कुछ तो नया भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. मतलब आपकी जो हॉबी रहेगी तो आप उसके लिए भी टाइम दे सकते हो, या फिर आप कुछ नया सीख सकते हो. तो जिसकी वजह से क्या होगा, आपका जो मेंटली स्ट्रेस रहेगा वो बहुत मतलब पूरी तरीके से कम हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आप मैनेजमेंट जो आपका मैनेजमेंट रहता है वो आपका प्रॉपर रहेगा. सो इसकी वजह से आपका जो लाइफ स्टाइल है, जो लाइफ इंजॉइंग एलिमेंट्स है, मूवमेंट्स है, वो आप अच्छी तरीके से इंजॉय कर सकते हो. नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट और नेक्स्ट फीचर ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट. मैनेजमेंट इज intangible. You know what is intangible means? Intangible means the things which we can't feel, the things which we can't see but we can feel it. So guys, management is intangible. We can't see it, but we can feel it. We can know how we are doing the things, how we can prepare a proper plan, a proper rough idea to achieve a particular goal. So this process is totally intangible, because others cannot see the what is the particular management, but you can feel that you are managing yourself, you are managing the plans according to the goal. So this is the completely intangible process. So guys, these are the few importance or few features of the management. I think it will be helpful for you to know the management. So guys, in my next video I will give you more detailed information about management and how it can be done. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and one more thing, thanks for giving us likes, and thanks for your support. So guys, keep subscribing our channel, keep liking our videos. Thank you once again. Thank you.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 डिग्री सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर.
Go Heaven, world class manufacturer or supplier.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस, कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइस और एडवांस
A1 एजुकेशन सिस्टम,
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में नॉलेज स्किल्स और एबिलिटी एक्सेलरेटेड।
गो A1 रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट सेंटर,
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में हर इंजीनियर किसान और इन्वेंटर की जान।
गो A1 इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर,
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में नई सोच, नया भविष्य, नए स्टार्टअप का बुलंद साथीदार।
गो A1 ODM और ODM सप्लायर, ब्रांड आपका, आइडिया आपका, टेक्नोलॉजी हमारी।
Go A1. Ride into the future.